welcome back to my channel. So today we are having a DIY momento. Pakadali lang ang gagawin natin. We are decorating an indoor plant and we are having this snake plant. I got 3 pieces of snake plant. So malinis na siya, hindi na siya kailangan pang linisin. I got this glass vase. So, nabili ko to at Daiso. Actually, lahat ng gagamitin ko is galing sa Daiso. So, we are using this gel polymer or they call it plant vids. What I love about this, kapag pag lumiit na siya or nag-shrink na siya, just add water and babalik na siya sa dati niyang itsura. So, ang kagandahan nito, has an added nutrients and suitable for replacing the soil. Kaya sobrang ganda niya in indoor. So, to the DIY guys. So, here's the things you need. A snake plant, a glass base, a gel beads, and a water. So first, just pour the gel beads or flat beads into the glass base. Let's do a little mixing. Then pour or fill it with water, not too much and not so little. Now let's put the snake plant into the simple deco glass base that we made, but yet so stylish. And there you have it. See you soon on my next DIY Momento. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks!